So we'll be using an advanced closing technique called conversational reflection that's used in both consultative and question-based selling. So typically what happens is when we're handling objections in the closing phase, we'll acknowledge them, but what we also want to do is we want to reflect on the objection and repeat it back to them. So to give you an example, we'll be using the dynamic between a child and their parent. So typically what happens is when a child has an issue, comes to you as their parent, and they're all emotionally worked up, and they can be pretty much unreasonable when explaining what happened. So to both calm the child down and to get a clear idea on what really happened, you as a parent can repeat your understanding of what they said. So let's say, for an example, your child comes into the room and they're crying about this thing and the next, and they're all emotionally worked up and they're talking fast. So what I would say is, okay, hold on, calm down, let me make sure I understand what you're saying. So if I make sure I understand you correctly, you're saying that this happened and X, Y, Z, and then I will literally repeat back what I heard. This gives the child the chance to sort of reevaluate the issue, but more importantly, make any corrections on their perception of what happened. And I don't mean this in a derogatory way, but in a lot of ways,